Vesk power! This scooter is flying! Oh yeah, bro, this looks so cool. 89! Joy just melted his rear motor. Ain't no way, bro, got 72 volts on the... Now we both got 10 kilowatts and 72 volts. Hey, bro, how are you wheeling with a whole ass battery on your front? You got the most atrocious weight distribution right now. What key?
I literally lost my NFC key.
Hey!
Oh my God, I thought I lost it.
Clone it so you'll have a backup one. Bro, got the scooter. That battery on the front looks mud. Yeah, bro. I think it's fast. Come on. Oh, yeah. Vesk power!
Yeah, you don't like it.
Nah, bro. Vesk power. Bro, we are both riding hyper scooters at this point. Bro, riding a fast scooter is always fun. Fast scooters. They are not massive, they're fast. Bro, I'm running almost 11 kilowatts on this. Good.
So much fun, dude.
For real, bro. Riding a small scooter with hyper scooter power is so fun, bro. I'm like half the throttle right now. It's not even trying. Come on. Hey! We are running hyper scooter power on small frames.
Exactly.
Bro, we are almost running the power of the Dualtron Storm. Oh yeah! This scooter is flying! God damn! How much did you get? 89. If you got 89, I got over 90. We should turn around. Oh yeah, bro, this looks so cool.
Yeah, yours are cooler though. Yours are cooler.
You know why? Because Vesk is more efficient. Let me see what this scooter is about. Is it stable?
So like it's very stable. You're not running into death wobble by any means.
Ah, bro. Oh my days! The startup torque is so strong on this. Nah, this scooter is death. 82, 84. 89! Okay, this goes 89 full throttle. I had a little death wobble there. This scooter has high startup torque, but my scooter got more high-end torque, you know?
Oh my God, bro.
I got 89 on it, full throttle. I mean, I don't know, I got 90 on mine. I mean, both are fun, but if you want top speed, this one. This scooter launches harder. You know, Vesk doesn't like starting in load. Oh man, it's running on coal. Nah, bro, we got the Stone Age train, bro. This train is pretty long. That's what she said. My poor 1 kilowatt motor is getting 5 kilowatts of power right now. I mean, bro, if they are not getting hot, you're good. I had a slight death wobble when I backed off the throttle on your scooter. I'm pretty sure it's because of your weight distribution. Because all of your scooter's weight is in the front.
Oh my God.
How are my motors? It's fine. I showed this scooter to my G2 Pro and it said it's AI. Let's hope we won't get arrested today, because that would be bad.
We got infinite range with this battery.
For real, bro.
Like forever.
God damn, bro, the G2 Master looks so cool now. I wanna get street tires on it. Street tires should get me like 5 kilometers per hour more top speed. We got motorcycle power on a scooter. This weather is peak, bro. It looks like summer. Ooh. Yeah, I don't think we're gapping that guy. The crazy thing is that we have over 10 horsepower. The weight to power ratio is insane. Bro, we are getting summer early access. Whoa! I hit my front brake too hard. Yeah, I just hit my knee in the handlebar. Well, yeah, don't ride with one hand, I guess. God damn, bro. Well, something had to happen, right? Don't run the red light like last time. Be careful after the bridge. Don't keep sending it. You should brake after the bridge because there's a police station. You have time to brake. I lost my front motor. Come on, man. I'm riding single motor. Rebooted my Vesks. Yeah, they sometimes act up. Oh shit! We're going back. Something is seriously wrong with this connection, bro. Bruh, nah, something is seriously wrong with my front Vesk. Vesk is a little weird sometimes. Vesk is not for beginners. I didn't expect to do off-road today. Oh yeah! Motorcycle power for real. Yo, wait. Joy. Oh my days, this thing is too fast. Bro, everyone is outside. The weather is so nice. This is summer for real. This is the ultimate range test. 72 volts is just too much. But the range is insane. The G2 Pro could never. How many kilometers did we do so far, bro?
I don't know.
A lot. Hey! This scooter is the infinite wheelie machine, bro. Doing this with your friends is so fun.
Oh shit!
What?
Whoa!
Lift your scooter a little. Let me check something. Just don't throttle. Just hold it. Uh-oh. This motor has slight resistance, bro. Phase wires might be shorted. The cables are hot.
I think they melted.
Even worse, I think you melted the windings.
Oh! Oh! Yeah, that's hot. That's hot.
Okay, bro. This motor is burning. You might have melted the windings. How is my motor? My motor is fine. Ooh! Okay, so the controller works because it's giving it throttle. So it's either the cables or the windings. Lil bro just melted his motor. This motor is boiling. Well, that's what happens when you push a little too much power in it. The G2 Master is still doing fine though. I mean, the motor is warm, not hot. Bro pushed slightly too much power. How do you feel about it? The weather was too nice, bro. I don't know how you're gonna ride it home.
It melted, dude. It's done. It's done.
It's not on fire, little bro. So yeah, Joy just melted his rear motor. The G2 Master is still doing fine. The motors are just slightly warm. Damn. This thing is so fast. Nah, cause this is so dangerous, bro. Imagine you just blast in here and you hit this. But you can die. There's no way bro found a toolkit. It's fixable. Well, not really. Oh my days. So everything looks fine in here. Okay, but I think it got quite hot. Melted the plastic, bro. God damn. Nah, bro, it was a good connection. You just pushed too much power in it. Disconnect the Hall sensors. The motor should stop running. But will the front motor run without it? Let's see. It works.
Oh my god!
Let's pack it up. Now it should work on limp mode until we get home. Yeah, but you're driving a Xiaomi now. Front motor only. I bet the torque will be insane now. Oh yeah, infinite energy glitch. Front motor is spinning and rear motor is generating. Burning a motor wasn't on today's to-do list. Your rear motor is braking. Oh, it's farting. Your motor will get to 1 trillion degrees. As long as it doesn't turn red hot, it's fine. It runs on hopes and prayers. It doesn't sound too happy. You went from as fast as me to Xiaomi speed. Bro, why was that sign saying access here is prohibited after 10 p.m. What's going on here at 10 p.m? Aliens, bro. Bro burned his motor from a 50 amp controller. I'm running 100 amps in these motors and they are fine. How? Oh my days. That motor is screaming. Yeah, we have square wave at home. Damn, bro. Oh my days. Guess how much battery I have left? 67%, bro. Are you vibrating? It sounds bad. Why does it sound like that, bro? Bro, that guy was looking at you like, yo, what's wrong with this guy's scooter? Oh, imagine you also cook the front motor.
No, the screen turned off.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Well, it was fun while it lasted. I guess 10 kilowatts was a little too much for these motors.